name's Nate Pavilla. I'm going to teach you how to ollie. Okay, for an ollie, you're going to want to put your feet in position kind of like this. Then you just want to bend your knees, touch your board, and pop. And just jump in the air. And if you want to go higher with the ollie, you just move your foot back more like this. And that'll just give it more pop. Okay? You ready?
Oh!
Alright. So, after you do that, take it to some sets or something.